everybody. I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and today I'm with a new lesson. Just 5 minutes and 25 phrases on your fingertips. So don't skip the video and let's begin. Friendship. Amicizia. Amicizia, friendship. Next one is passione, passion. Passione. Focus on the pronunciation, please. Passione, passion. Felicità, felicità, joy, happiness. Felicità, joy, a happy emotion. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful videos like this. Next one is rispetto. Rispetto, respect. Rispetto, respect. When I say a word third time, you all need to pronounce this word with me, okay? Conoscenza, conoscenza, knowledge. Conoscenza, knowledge. Conoscenza. Coraggio, coraggio, courage. Coraggio in Italian and courage in English. Next one is gratitudine. Gratitudine. Gratitude. Gratitudine in Italian and gratitude in English. Successo. Successo in Italian and success in English. Libertà. Freedom. Libertà in Italian, freedom in English. Next one is bellezza. Bellezza, beauty. Bellezza in Italian and beauty in English. Amore. Amore, love. Amor in Italian and love in English. Lavoro. Lavoro, work. Luna, luna, moon, moon. Mare, mare, sea, sea. Mare in Italian. Next one is fortunatamente. Fortunatamente, fortunately. Fortunately in English and fortunatamente in Italian. Presto, presto, soon. See you soon, a presto. Remember this word today. Ovunque, everywhere. Ovunque. Pronounce this with me. Ovunque. Sempre, always. Sempre, always. Sempre. Domani, tomorrow. Domani, tomorrow. You can remember this also. This one is easy and this one is too easy. Oggi, today. Oggi. Oggi, today. Next one is magari. Magari, maybe. Magari, maybe. Magari in Italian and maybe in English. Don't skip the video, please. Perfetto. Perfetto. Perfect. Perfetto. Perfect. Interessante. Interessante. Interesting. Interessante in Italian and interesting in English. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Importante. Importante. Important. Importante. Important. Carino. Cute. Carino. Cute. Remember this also. It's a little word. Carino. cute. Bello, bello, beautiful. Bello, beautiful. Next one is triste, sad. Triste, sad. Triste, sad. Felice, happy. Felice, happy. Felice. Pronounce again, felice. Bravo, good. Subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching. Ciao presto.